How many swipes do you need before you find someone who's willing to go out with you? Before you find the one? This is a question that was asked today at a speed date event that I have just completed. So that's a really interesting question. How many? So the person who asked us this, I had only one thing to ask him. आप कितने टाइम से हैं in apps पर? He said about a month. So let's say 30 days. Do you log in every day? Yes, I do. About how many people do you swipe on a daily basis? He said about 100. So chalo, theek hai. You have swiped now on 3,000 people. Okay? In 30 days. And you haven't managed to find anyone with whom you want to communicate. Even if you have managed to find, they have not wanted to communicate with you. भाई साहब, आप सब चाहते क्या हैं? Seriously, I really wonder what it is that people want. You have swiped on 3,000 single eligible people in this country and you have not managed to find even one. Have you ever thought about it? What is wrong with this whole scenario? I'll tell you what's wrong. Since yesterday, I have been wanting to buy a microwave. I don't have time to go to the shops. So I decided to look for one online. Now, since yesterday morning and it's night tonight, I have been on e-commerce sites and I have been swiping. Okay? I would have also seen at least 100 microwaves, but I can't figure it out. I don't know what I want because I have the problem of the plenty. Itne sare hain, which one do I want? I'm now confused. They all seem right, they all seem wrong. If they are available, they are not in my budget. If they are in my budget, they are not available. They are too large, too small, and I can't figure out anything from a photograph. Also, I don't have time to think. So after that, what happens? The mails start. Hey, the microwave that you put in your cart is waiting for you. Someone is eyeing your cart. Here's a discount. Do you see what's happening here? It's playing on our psychology, which is exactly what dating websites do. They play on our psychology. How do they make money? They make money if you spend time on them. So they will keep showing you people, whether they're right or wrong or whatever it is, they'll show you 100 people. By the end of the day, you're confused, you're exhausted, you've decided, aaj ka ho gaya, ab I'm going to sleep. I will come back tomorrow and I will look again. And you come back the next day and you start looking again. The exhaustion, the fatigue that you are going through is exactly the fatigue that the other person is also going through. By the end of it all, no one wants to respond. Everyone's exhausted. Everyone's bored. कितने बार देखूं हर site पे same लोग हैं. Am I right? So what do you need to do in this situation? You need to take control. There was a time, if you remember, that almost everyone got married. इतनी मेहनत नहीं करनी पड़ती. Okay? You grew up. It was time, it was your rite of passage, your family or friends or the local pandit found someone for you to get married, matched family, matched everything. You looked at each other, you said, हाँ ठीक है, right? Our parents did and they made a success of it. While we, with all the options that we have, are not being able to manage it. Most of the people who come to Footloose No More say, I don't know how to find someone. I have been trying for very long. So here's my advice to you. Take control of your life. Stop swiping. Stop it. Just connect. Connect with people. Go to a place where you will actually speak. If you don't speak, where there has been a background check, where you know for sure that this person is looking. Apart from that, now I don't know what anyone else does. What we do is, we do not show you 100 options a day. Because you should not be on an Amazon for humans, nor should you be part of an e-commerce website for humans, right? You don't want to be a product and you don't want to buy a product. You want to connect with a human being. So Be in a place where you see limited options, where you have time to think about it, where you send a message. Wait. The joy of life is in the waiting, the anticipation. Why not have fun with it? So, किसी ने जवाब नहीं दिया, ठीक है, वैसे भी कौन सा वो तुम्हारी शादी हो गई थी. अगर किसी ने जवाब दिया, वाह वाह, let's see if it works out. Enjoy the process, guys. What's with the swiping? Get a grip on yourselves and get a grip on your own psychology. Do not be the product. Get into a space where you are actually looking, because even if 20 people go out with you, you aren't going to marry 20. You go for 100 job interviews, you take one. So meet people, communicate with people, be in a place where people come with clarity, and take life ahead from there. If it makes sense to you, give me a yes. If it doesn't, say no and tell me why. And also let me know what you want to talk about next, and I'll be happy to do it. And I'm fumbling, and I'm Varsha Agnihotri Vadyar. I am the co-founder of Footloose No More. I found my own husband there. And yes, we don't show you 100 matches every day. We want you to connect. We want you to get out. We don't want you to be on our site all the time, because I'm sure you have other things to do, like you have a job, you have friends, you have hobbies. Do that. Swiping is not a hobby. Swiping didn't find you anyone. 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, कोई मिला क्या? नहीं मिला. अब आओ. Let's see what you find. Have fun, and I'll catch you. Happy Republic Day.